Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix a app crashing issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on restart and again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on app, in go back, refresh. In app go back and refresh. In app go back and refresh. After the process, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library and click on Play Store and click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device and click on update, and you will see select app from here. After select app, you will see app is updating. After updating, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix a app crashing issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.